Welcome back to Tableau Solution. Hope you are doing very well. In this video, we are going to learn about data cleanup and customization of original data source and save this customized data into .tds format. And this TDS file can be reused for another workbook. So before going forward, I request you viewer to please subscribe the channel and like this video if you find this video helpful. Now let's see how to save this customized and clean data into .tds format. So let's connect with data source. My data source available in .csv file for demonstration. So let's connect with text file connector. So click on this text file and we are using here Hericon data source for demonstration. This Hericon data source is now available in Tableau. If you want to change the source file name, then you can change here. For example, Hericon data source. It does not mean it's change in original file. And here I am connecting here live data source. It means data available in file does not copy this into Tableau. If you want to copy this data source into Tableau high performance memory, you can click on this extract option. Okay, so for now I am using here live connection. Okay, this is the metadata information about data like field name, data type, default aggregation. It is possible to edit the metadata from several places, but in this video we will focus on the editing in worksheet. So let's click on this worksheet. Okay, for example, name it clean up data. Okay, we want to change this field name, so let's click on and navigate to this drop down and go to here rename and change this into latitude. Okay, we want to also change this field name into longitude. Okay, so go to here, you can also click on this and press double click to change this rename, or also click on this and press F2 to change field name. Okay, so for example longitude. Okay, we also want to change this data type into geographic role. So go to here, this navigate to and go to here geographic rule and change this longitude rule. Okay, now it's changed to geographic rule. We want to change this measure. This is the measure portion and this is the dimension portion. If you want to change this measure into dimension, so click on this and drag into dimension field. Here Tableau automatically detect, but sometimes does not detect correctly, so we here change this measure into field. And we also want to change default properties, for example sort to descending order. For example, here click on this descending order, and if you want to check, so close this, and if you drag here row self, you can see here by default it is in descending order. Okay, if you want to change in ascending order, you can same go to here and change this property into descending order. Also change some here property like number format. You can also change here alias name, hide. If you want to hide this field, you can hide this. For example, we want to hide here year, then you can click on this and hide. Okay, so that's all cleanup done. Now we want to save this cleanup and customize data into .tds format. Navigate to here data menu and go to here Hericon data source and save this into .tds format. Okay, for example, we have already saved, so replace this and save this. Okay, now it's saved into .tds format. If I close this workbook, no, and open this new workbook, here now new workbook open, and you can see here new data source available, Hericon data source. Click on this and this customized data now available here. Field name already renamed, role geographic role already here preserved. Okay, and category also in dimension field. So if you want to do here analysis, you can do analysis. Okay, click on drag this into, this is bar chart. Okay, ascending order. Now you can do analysis. So in this video we will learn about how to customize cleanup data in data pane menu. You can also create here calculated field, parameter, group by folder, sort by name. Okay, so that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe this channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.